What's up guys, today we're gonna take off this steering wheel and replace it with the steering wheel that's being released today. We're gonna swap it out, put a DND hub on it, and show you guys the correct steps. First step is there's a screw behind your OEM steering wheel right here, which holds this bottom portion in, and the top pops off. This is already broken, but you just gotta dang. Once you get this cover off, you want to unhook this harness. Take this, put it on the side, and you'll have your 4 screws that are holding this support plate. There's 4 screws here. We're gonna remove them. So these are the 4 screws. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. You wanna take these off and expose this bolt, and then from there we can pry it off. And if you don't have a 240, the best thing to do is literally go on YouTube. YouTube pretty much has every single video or every single main modified car, some type of how-to. If not, I'm sure there's write-ups online. So for this specific bolt, this is a 19mm. We're gonna yank it off and then take the steering wheel off. Sometimes this is easy, sometimes this can be a pain in the booty. It all depends on.
Is he done? Is he done?
This bang off your steering column bolt. Just yank it off. Ding. We got our hub now. I'll show you exactly what you need to do next. So next you want to get some type of aftermarket hub. This one is from DND to slide on. The groove should line up perfect. You slap that bad boy on and then you are good to go. And you just want to make sure it's lined up. Make sure your wheels are straight and the top bolt is up top, if that makes sense. Sometimes they're indicated, like that would be the top. To get it snug is just simply just start tightening it. Put the bolt on and send her away. Pretty simple. Then you put your wheel on. You can wire up your horn button. It is up to you. It is a preference. I personally never do, and I probably should eventually. And then the final part, which is the most favorite part. Our perfect, beautiful, because D&D collab steering wheel. Line this up with the studs, and then you're good to go. You can use pretty much kind of any type of hardware. Some have like flat heads, and some have round heads. It really doesn't honestly matter. I'm gonna use flat ones for these. All right, next you want to install your horn button, and sometimes you can wire it in if you want. All you have to do is send signal and ground, and then you're good to go. This is the signal wire, and then you just have to run a ground. So I don't usually install my whatchamacallits. Bam! She good, dog. This is our steering wheel. It's now available, actually. Holla holla. I'm super excited. Alright my dudes, that is it. I just wanted to make this quick video so you know how to install aftermarket steering wheel. I will be back again. We have a lot of content coming out this week, but this is at the end of the week, so you already saw, but hopefully a lot of content. But I'm super hyped. This is one of our biggest achievements to date. I'm super proud of working with the guys at D&D. They've been absolutely tremendous, and I'm just hyped to have them as like homies, hanging out, chilling. But yeah, so check it out. The wheel's available now on our website, so link in the bottom. But it comes with sticker pack, t-shirt, hardware, horn button, wheel of course, and air freshener, like a bunch of goods. It's a packaged bundle, and I'm super hyped, and I love the way it feels. It feels really good in my hands, and it's gonna feel good in your hands. So holla at your boy, son. I love you so much. Happy freaking Friday. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Let me know. I don't know, let me know something. Do you like it? Was this easy to follow along? I wanted to make sure that it was a quick, simple install video. I know when I'm looking on YouTube and I find install videos, the easiest ones to watch are like not 30-minute videos. So I just wanted to make this quick, simple, easy. Hit me up on the DMs on Instagram. Happy freaking Friday. I love you so much. Holla at ya boys.
Yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey. Hey, hey, hey. All I bitch you was your mess, hey. Can't keep my dick in my pants. Ayy, my bitch don't love me no more. Ayy, she kick me out on live, bro. Ayy, that bitch don't wanna be friends. Ayy, I give her dick, she a man. Ayy, she put her 10 on my dick. Ayy, look at my wrist about 10.